Do, 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 do. All right. Hey, viewer request. Walmart, guys. WMT. And these reminds me of McDonald's, man. Market selling off. But Walmart, MCD, McDonald's refusing to go under their 12-month moving average. Continuing to exhibit stage 2 behavior. And when we're going to zoom in on the weekly, guys, we're probably going to see more of this. What do I have? Okay, these are my extremes. Monthly defined support, monthly defined breakout. Right now we're in no man's land, but when we're going to zoom in on the weekly, remember these are monthly candles, we're probably going to see some type of stage 2 continuation breakout right here. You don't want to be a stock if it's below 12-month moving average, but you don't want necessarily to short it until all the weight of evidence is in the favor that's in downtrend. So you see you're below 12-month moving average, but it's still angling upwards. It's not a short yet. Contrary to here, see a lot of action along that 12-month moving average. Defining support, not getting it close below it, not getting it close below it. And broke out here, reached the implied measure move of the, check it out, like I use my just regular chart trading framework, the swing rule, and that target is reached, goes back in, and then here 12-month average going downwards. Here you actually get the short. And if I take the greedy target, I also reach its target right here. Stage 2, stage 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, right here. Stage 2, pull back, stage 3, getting back to stage 2 territory. Not the prettiest of charts on the monthly candle chart. So we're going to head on to the weekly. And let's look what Stan Weinstein has to say. Woohoo! All right. What do we have? First thing I see is outperforming the SPX. Very good sign. I have crescendo green volume. Nice. Oh, see, I have this green candle right here. And I always use, when I see volume candles, twice the average of the previous 4 weeks. Most of the time, when I look up, pretty much coincides with the breakout, right? Actually, yeah, breakout candle. Again, we could have not entered right here. Why? Because declining 30-week MA, underperforming the SPX. See, it's a gray zone here. You don't have all that evidence that needs to pile up. Those check marks, not quite there yet. So what happens is the price action for the next weeks still needs some more churning, pulling back closer towards that 30-week average. But since you have price action above the 30-week average, well, look at that, starting to angle upwards. And that's the trend. And this, what gives you, it gives you nice opportunities to have pullbacks close towards the breakout line. Not quite making it yet, but getting better and better. And then you get good, when you look at the behavior, you see that contracting volume on the pullback. You see increasing volume on the expansion. It confirms that stage 2 is on its way, guys. What else do we have? Right here. Another close above a horizontal breakout line. I would have loved to see twice the average volume of the previous 4 weeks. Like here, a great green candle. And now the next move is what is going to be, I don't know how fast it's going to go, reach that monthly defined resistance, maybe come back slowly, test that breakout line here at the 97.80 level, and then maybe go another check here. So entry here, kind of far away from the 30-week moving average. Better yet to let it go up, then come back down, and then here 30-week average is going to be closer, and here you're going to have a great risk reward. You're going to be able to observe the same type of patterns on that pullback. You're going to want to see contracting volume on the pullback close towards that breakout line here, and it's gonna confirm that you're really into an uptrend. Because remember, all that price action that stays above 30-week average is gonna start inclining it more and more, and then you're off to the races. So a nice stage 2. That's how I see it, how it's building up. I see it had a nice continuation right here. Always take the time to reobserve, reapply stage analysis to different, you see, have the chart under your hand, and just to keep practicing, to keep observing. See that candle here? Just perfect. Broke out, 30-week average, starting to angle upwards, more and more price action on it, sideways move, twice the average volume in the previous 4 weeks, explosion, move on. Red candle, not a good sign, and if you hadn't moved your sell stops, here would be the perfect time to exit when you're below 30-week average. Don't want to be there. And that's pretty much it. I wonder if I had a Stan Weinstein. No. Need 3 points hitting before trend line violation. So this was a tough one. But when you get away from the 30-week average, it always seems to want to get back close to it to retest some support. And if it's not ready, it breaks down, then you're going back into this territory here. Walmart stage 2, continuation breakout. We might have better risk to reward entries if we wait just a little bit. And on the monthly, we're still in no man's land. The ultimate breakout would be a close above that 106 level, and then I get that crazy implied measure move, next leg up all the way to 130, about 130, 131. That's it, man. Walmart hanging in there, relatively speaking, outperforming the SPX. When the market turns around, that might suck that thing up even higher, guys. All right, see ya.